A lot of people are trying to enter Redstone Arsenal with unregistered weapons. That's why officials say it might take you a little longer now going through gate security. Wait 31 reporter Maddie McCaffrey joins us live now with more on this story this evening. Maddie.
Yeah, Nicole and Dan, Redstone Arsenal says you can expect additional security measures at their gates on the base. They say that their security officers have seen a huge uptick in the number of people with unregistered weapons trying to enter the base, something that is completely not allowed on federal land. Now, Colonel Brian Cozine says after the passage of the permitless carry law in January of 2023, there's been a huge spike in unregistered weapons being found at gates on the base. The only people allowed to have weapons on the arsenal are authorized private residents living in their housing, FBI or law enforcement, or if you're one of their seasonal hunters.
So in January 23, we started messaging the change in the Alabama law, but that doesn't apply to a federal installation, so that is our concern. But what we did find that in 22, when we were in COVID, we only had 4 weapon cases. We're halfway through FY24 and we already have over 20 that we have found on the installation. So we are really trying to help the messaging to say this is not a course of action we want to continue. And unfortunately, it's also the same with some of our drug and narcotics as well. Even though they're minor, we are still finding that we are having a spike in those as well.
And Colonel Cozine says that when security officers find cases of people with unregistered weapons at the gate and they're not cooperating, then other local agency partners like the Madison County Sheriff's Office can get involved as well. Ultimately, these additional security screenings are for the safety of the base. I'm live in Huntsville with coverage you can count on. Maddie McCaffrey, Wait 31 News.